Crunch! Mustafa takes a big bite of his red apple. But have you ever wondered, where does that apple go after you swallow it? Let's follow the food on its amazing journey through your body. Check out this detailed see-through model. It shows the complete path from your mouth all the way through your digestive system. First stop, the mouth. Your teeth chop food into tiny pieces. Then it slides down a slippery tube called the esophagus, just like a water slide. Next, the food reaches the stomach, a mixing chamber that churns everything around like a washing machine. Then, nutrients get sorted in the small intestine. Here's the coolest part. Your body turns food into energy. That apple becomes fuel for running, jumping, playing all day long, and growing stronger. Vitamins from fresh vegetables become powerful shields that protect your body from illness. And protein helps build strong muscles, just like Mikael's tiny biceps. Get this, your body works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And your small intestine, it's 20 feet long, folded up inside you. So next time you eat, remember, your body is an amazing machine. Use that food energy to run, jump, and explore. See you next time!